Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Anybody Can Do. Today in this video we will talk about an event which will held virtually on 28 and 29 July 2021 and named as Look Inside 2021, which is organized by a Google to guide a new beginners and software engineers about the Google selection process, the interview process, and a good resume, how everybody can make a good resume for get selected in a dream company and work with them in a Google. So many times we apply to a Google but we got rejected in the first step. So it can be because there can be minor mistakes in our resume or anything, so that's why the Google recruiters reject us. So this event is organized for those who are keep on continuing to apply to Google but did not get selected. So I think this event will helpful for you if you are one out of them. And so the event name is Look Inside 2021. Everybody can join this event and get the benefits. So let's get started. What you will get inside this event. So first of all, a good resume. I think this is the first step towards the selection of a good company, whether it is a Google, whether it is an iOS, Microsoft, or anything, or any other big company. So our resume is our first impression, or we can say our last impression, because if our resume is good, then they will forward us to the next step. Otherwise we got rejected in just 1 minute. And for that, the Google recruiters will review your CV, your resume, and comment on your resume whether this thing is a good in your resume or not, or what are the improvements you need to make in your resume to get selected in a Google. So this is a very first step that you will get a benefits from the direct Google recruiters who select the student. They will review your resume for free. There will be no charges. And I think this is a very beneficial for the newcomers, because at initially we don't know how to make a good resume, how to impress a recruiter from our resume. So this is helpful for them. And the next step is guide to selection in Google. Sorry for the spelling mistake in the screen. So they will guide you how you can select in a Google. What are the main points and main tips the recruiters see and while interviewing a candidate, what they will see, and how they will select a student, like what are the capabilities and leadership roles they want in a particular candidate regarding a particular role, whether it's a software engineering role or any other role, technical writer role, or there are many roles in our Google. So they will guide you about the selection process and the things they want inside a candidate who got selected in a Google. So the third point is interview process. They will explain each and every step of the interview process, like the number of interview process and what each round will contain, and how they interview, how they interview a new candidate, and what they see when the candidate is answering. Like it's there are so many things we see, that whether the candidate has a knowledge about the particular topic or not, or anything what the Google recruiters feel like whether to select this candidate or not. So they will explain the every interview process, how they will be held, and what you want to work on, some skills and tips and everything. And the last point, that you will get to know about the Google products, what are the products of Google, how they work, and so many things on the Google products. So these are the 4 points that you will be get benefits from this event to make your selection easy towards a good company, and you have a great resume, which is like a main thing to get selected in a company. So this is what you will be able to get a knowledge about in this event, and it is very beneficial for a beginners and that software engineers who are trying to get selected in a Google and many time applies but they did not get success. So this event is for those, everybody can join it. So let's jump to its website. So I will provide this link in the description box, you can check it out and apply if you want. So the event a Google Meet, it's a great opportunity to gain insight, look into a software engineering and prepared for the career in a tech industry. So by this event, it's not necessary if you attend this event and make everything good, your resume and interview process, you will get in selected just in a Google. Working in not I don't say while working in, and if you follow these steps, then this will suggest you will also help you to work in another big company. If you don't have a dream to work with the Google, you can work with an iOS, Apple and so many things. So this is a general event and a big say, so everybody need to apply in this event and get the benefits. And next, what you will gain insights into a Google products through a tech talks. There will be high level engineers who will talk about their Google products and guide you people. And the next is a detailed interview process and get a chance to practice. Here you can understand the technical interview process, practice opportunities to ask a question. So this is a one to continue building your skill after the event, which means you can also ask them a questions Google to the if you have anything in your mind, so they will answer to your question. CV review with the Google recruiter, also expand your network with the Googlers and with the students from the assess of EMEA region. And the eligibility this is applicants must be eligible for a Google internships graduating later than October 2020. Sorry, it's 2022, which means that okay, so now the I say that everybody can join this event. The software also who tried many times to get selected in a Google but they did not get success. Sorry for that, but this event is just for those who are graduating later the October 2022. So sorry for misguidance, and then you should have studying in a computer science field. So this is all you need join this event. And the last date to apply is 1 June 2021. So let's apply. I will take a demo email ID there just to show you guys how to apply. For example, a@gmail.com. And next you need to fill your names, your first name, your last name, your gender. You need to upload your resume there and your LinkedIn profile and your if you have both then you can give provide the links here, otherwise no need. And the country of study, India, your university name, your highest degree you are pursuing currently now, your graduation year, graduation month, and the major field, which is a computer science or computer engineering. Then we have a question: would you be available and interested in an internship at Google in 2022? Why not? It's yes. Are you available to attend Inside Look virtually on 28-29 July 2021? Yes. And there is a question: what are your top 3 programming languages? So it's an optional question. If you have, then you write here, otherwise you can leave it blank. Then would you like to receive a more information about programs and employment opportunities? Yes. And this is the last step you have to submit, and yes, your registration will be marked and the date will be saved in your Google Calendar, from where you will get a reminder for this event and you can take the benefit from this event. So it's a good event for the students who want to get an internship in a Google. So don't miss the chance. So at the end, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also share this video with your friends so that everybody can benefit from this video and will make their good resume and got selected in a higher companies. So at the end in this video, a big shout out to Abhinav Asad, sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, to suggest me a unique topic to make a video on it. So thank you so much. Meet you in the next video.